Reminisce on dangerous summers. Was just a thug nigga working for drug dealers in neighborhood. Run about the age of 13, we was gunning, and it was fun to see the police running. Niggas disappear when we come and live. Nappy hair shorty, addicted to drinking 40. My niggas is naughty, and y'all niggas is fucking corny. But you left me in the summer of '89, a very good year. Crack cocaine sales rose.
Yo, Beamer-Fonz again, and I'm just doing a quick video on how to drain and fill your transmission, because the girlfriend's car, not mine, the girlfriend's, clunks when you come to a stop quickly and hard shifts from first to second. So let's just start, I guess. Alright, here we go. Ready? It's all gonna come out. You can see it. That's gross. That is yucky. That is dark fluid. It should be like the color of oil or red. That is dark. It does not smell good. Now we will remove the fill plug, which is right there. Or you can kind of just use your thumb and twist it around. This car has never had the fluid change, so I had to heat it up and get it off, but oh, my finger's in the hole. That's great. But there's your fill plug, there's your drain. And both of those set aside. Wait for it to drain out. Pump it back up till it all spills out. And then turn the car on and do the same thing. This one was definitely low because it is not even close to as much as came out of my car. Okay, so pay attention to this. Now, when you're tightening this bottom plastic one, I've got 2 fingers and a thumb on the ratchet at the base. When it feels pretty tight, like this, that is more than enough. Like, that's good. If you can't pull it anymore like this, that's good. Because that, when you unscrew it, you're going to feel it's kind of notchy. It's like that so that it doesn't back out by accident. So, do not over tighten that or you will break it. Ouch. Okay, so now it's fill time. So we're going to stick our handy dandy fill tube in the fill hole. Make sure that, there we go, just like that, and then I'm going to pump it in until it starts to overflow out. But I think I'm going to empty the pan first. Okay, now you can start pumping it once you've got everything. Make sure you have your fill plug, even though you're not going to put that on yet. Just get it ready and pump. Okay, so this is what it looks like once you are full cold. Then you're going to start the car, put it through the gears, and then fill it again and take it for a drive. Okay, so you want to see a stream roughly like that coming out of your fill plug with the engine running when you put the drain or the fill plug back on. Just a small stream, especially if your car is not level on the ground. And your car should be between 30 and 50 degrees Celsius. I'm not sure what that is in Fahrenheit, just Google it. But I did this cold, so I'm probably going to have to let out some fluid because it'll be a little bit overfilled. But considering that this car was underfilled to begin with, I'm going to go a little overfilled. It's probably better for the time being, at least for the test drive. So I'm going to go do that, warm it up, check the level, and then come back. Like tar, he's missing them all, so keep it running for the money like a fire. Shit that it make him a love for the time. Shit money coming in fat for board. Shit bro got a nigga won't get aboard. Shit I keep a nigga and no board. Shit if you ever try to treat him my board. Shit small money got me feeling like I'm bored. Feeling to the blood, got a feeling I'm bored. Dance with the blood, got me feeling like an oar. Feeling still alive and for that I'm forward. Shit you a bitch made nigga for the serve. Shit I'm a god in the wheel for the serve. Just nigga take a nigga life on her. Here's one punch, nigga back on the serve. So, hopefully y'all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, because it helps me out and I would like to start doing more videos and quit my job. So, like, comment, subscribe, please. Peace.